Hello and welcome back in this new puzzle. In this new video, I will show how you can apply the market structure trading technique. It is an advanced and very simple technique used by traders. These strategies can be used in Forex, crypto and stock market. The strategy will be explained in real-time examples. So let's go on with the first one. For this example, I'm going to use Euro USD chart. The first real-time examples that we are going to use. I will break it down from a higher time frame. On the higher time frame, you will see that we have a small support from the lower part of the structure. I'm going to label the lower part of the structure that corresponds also to the wicks of the candles. The second thing that I'm going to do, I will see that where the price created the previous top on our scenarios. Look at where the chart created the previous tops. So let's go to label both of them. This is the first one and this is the second one, and also a minor part of the structure. I will go on a lower time frame to make this chart more visible, on the 4-hour time frame right now, and you will see that it is more clear. What we can observe here is that when the price came from the top price created the first lower low, and after that it moved higher. At this moment of time, we can see that we can define the first support area. So this was the beginning of our structure. The second one that we can observe is that after the price moved higher, we can see that it moved lower again. In this way, price created a resistance part of the structure. This is the resistance area, and when it came lower, we can see that price tested the previous low. By retesting the previous low, that it can be seen from the left part, price found very strong support and it moved up again. Also, the second part is used as part of the structure, and this is adding value that in these 2 points right now the buyers are well positioned, so our chances are very high that the price should continue move higher. But why the price was stopped close to this area? If we are going to look at on the left part again, we are going to look at another part of the structure. It is a minor one. This is because during this moment of time we can see the price made up and down before the next bearish movement. So this is showing another area of interest from the sellers and buyers as well. So when the price came close to this top of the pattern, that it is located close to 0.6 approximately, we can see that price moved lower again. So here we are in another bearish movement, and actually price is testing the lower part for the third time. So in this scenario, the chances are very high that the bullish pressure should increase, the bullish steam here. So we can see more buyers in the market right now, and the increase in the bullish momentum will push the price up again. This is a very high probability scenario that this movement can happen. On the opposite side, if price is going to break down below the support area, it can move lower or it can make a fake movement. So all the invalidation part for this area is 1.0350, as we may see here. Once the price will be close to the top of the structure, it can come down again or it can move higher and to test another strong resistance area. So this is how we can trade properly the structure, the market structure. This is a very simple technique, and it's an advanced scenario that it is used in different type of markets. The second example that I'm going to take for this video is chain link. As you can see on the 4-hour, this is very visible structure. It looks very nice. I'm going to select the lower part of the candles here, and you will see that the price was stopped close to our area. So here we have the first structure support. For a strong structure support, we need at least to have a minimum of 2 points, and it will be very good trading opportunity. Even if we are going to have only 2 points like this one, the structure will be valid, but the risk is a bit higher than in other scenarios. As we can see, price tested the support area 2 times at this zone, so this was the third one. Look at the third touch, and after that price made another movement. So we are close to the next bullish movement on chain link. But where is our resistance area here? Here I'm going to locate the first one. It will be our structure resistance, because on the 4-hour we can see that this zone was tested 1, 2, and also the third time the price moved lower. This is showing that price is facing very strong resistance at this moment. If we are going to look at for structure on the left side of the chart, if I'm going to make it bigger right now, you will see that buyers and sellers traded in this area in a very aggressive way from both parts, from sellers on the upper part and from buyers on the lower part of the structure. So probability is very high that even if price is going to come to our support area right now, probability is very high that the price can move up again. So this is the first scenario that we may see here. I'm going to place also the buy zone, so if price is going to come lower to 5.4, it should move up again, and this is a very high probability that this movement can happen, has higher chances. If we are going to look at the top of the structure, look at the top that price created here, this looks like that it is the only one there. If I'm going to make it bigger, we will see that we have on the left part of the structure another retest of this area, and when price moved up, we can see that it moved down again. So also this area can be used. This is going to be the strongest part of the movement. So here we have another resistance, and the next resistance will be on the top. For this reason, I'm going to take a more conservative target at 9.15 approximately, and if price is going to break through the first resistance area, it will test the second resistance area. It will be a very good trade. However, for this scenario, the price should continue also to move up from this point. It is something that we can never rule out in this type of scenarios. This is for the reason because price accumulate volume more than normal and it continues moving higher. So both of these are possible movements in this way. So here we have our possibility how the price can develop here. Very simple scenario. Let's suppose that you are positioned bearish on this movement because the main trend is coming from the upper part of the structure. I'm going to keep it very simple. If you don't want to trade within the correction area or the structure itself, you can just wait for the price to break down of the structure, and after that you can initiate the sell trade here. So this is for the sellers, where the sellers are positioned. So in this way we can see that the bulls and the bears both have chances in this type of trading. When one is invalidated, the second one is validated. I will explain also another scenario to Stellar. Look at how simple everything is looking like also on this chart. So we cannot see any big difference from Forex and the crypto market. We just need to position ourselves on the trade. Price came lower, it tested the first time, we have second time, we have third time, and the price is coming lower again. So let's connect all of these points, all of these lower lows in this way. You will see that here we have our support area. These are our support zones, as you can see. First support, second, third, price came down, so probability is increasing that the price can continue moving up from this point. Now we are going to label the resistance areas. The resistance areas are located again when the price was making this type of movement, higher high and higher low. So we are going to look at for the strongest tops. We are going to place our areas right now. The first one is going to be this part, the first top, when the price faced resistance. And the second one is going to be the second top. If you are going to use this minor structure, also that is valid for taking fast profits in this scenario. I'm going to place it because the left part of the structure is very important all the time. And look at how beautiful targets do we have here. If you want also another longer time target, we can look at another higher high, because from the top of the structure the price is coming down from this part of the structure. So here we have another one. Let's label also that part of the structure, and here we have another bigger target. So from this point, if we are going to position ourselves on the bullish movement, price should continue moving up. The chance is that in all the areas, the resistance areas, price can move back again, so it can come down. We can rule out those possibilities. That is why we need to close profits on all this area. So this is our scenario, is well defined how it can work out. If you want to sell this and you don't believe that the price will move up, you are going to trade on the opposite side. So you need to wait here for this part, for the structure to break down. And after that, you can initiate the sell scenario. So all of these scenarios are very clear, are very simple for all type of markets, for Forex, for crypto, for stock market. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and press the like button for more future contents. Bye bye. I will make a brief presentation on the benefits of the WhiteBIT crypto exchange. WhiteBIT is one of the largest European cryptocurrency exchanges. What is really surprising about this broker is that they possess European exchange and custody licenses. WhiteBIT meets the KYC and AML requirements. That means that you will have reliable protection of assets and their securities. You can also make passive income from your money even if you don't intend to invest in certain time periods. Earn up to 30% of passive income on Bitcoin, Ethereum and USDT. These interest rates are impressive compared to other brokers. They have also low trade rates up to 0.1%. You can trade more than 450 trading pairs, and their referral program offers 40% revenue from referral trading commissions. If you want protected funds and earn more passive income, you can open an account via the referral link in the comment section below.